Okay, it's time for us to start building this adapter, but it's really important that we understand what we are doing. So let's take a look at what this says again. It says the views in the list are represented by ViewHolder objects. These objects are instances of a class you define by extending recyclerView.ViewHolder. So we've done that here. If we go all the way down, you will see that we have a public class, myViewHolder, that extends the recyclerView.ViewHolder. Inside this class is a constructor that passes in a view called itemView for us. Okay, remember that itemView bit for us. Then, each view holder is in charge of displaying a single item with a view. So what that means is each instance of this class will represent a single instance of this. So this little view here will be placed into every single item here, from 0 to 9 or how many we need. We just kind of need to tell the view holder what we want, what these text boxes are, so that we can bind data to them. Because here's the next bit. So now we know what we want to do. Okay. It says the view holder objects are managed by an adapter, which you create by extending recyclerView.adapter. And we have done this. Go and look at the top here. We have created our forecast adapter class, and we've extended the recyclerView.adapter class, and we have created a constructor that accepts. Oh, I haven't made the constructor, that's a problem. I'll go make the constructor. We need a constructor that accepts a context and a forecast result. And this guy has methods on create view holder and on bind view holder and get item count in it. So let's go take a look, see what this means. Okay, the adapter creates view holders as needed, and the adapter also binds the view holders to their data. It does this by assigning the view holder to a position and calling the adapter's onBind view holder method. This method uses the view's holder position to determine what the content should be based on its list position. So that seems quite odd, but basically what we're going to do is in get item count, it's the return statement thing here. So in get item count, we need to return something. So we actually return forecast result .list.size. So we're telling this guy, you are expecting this much data. It will get an int value there that it will use to create view holders. And it will then add the data stored in position 0 on the list. Hey, why do I clicking that? It's going very well. On position 0 in the list to position 0 over there, and it will add the data in position 1 in the list, position 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever the size of our list is, it will add that data to the view, and the view holder will then create that view and pass it to the recycler view, and we should see our data nicely done in our list. So that means, let me first go make that constructor. I can swear I made it. I probably deleted it. So let's just go make a constructor here. We want both these two in there. Okay, we need that. All right, so let's go work with this then. So we can say that in our view, what we want the object to hold is an image view, and we can call that 5-day, or let's just do it nicely, image 5-day weather. We also have a whole bunch of text views, and these text views are the 5-day temperature, we have the 5-day description, and we have the 5-day date. I think that's all we have. Let's go look. So we have date, description, and temperature. Happiness. Okay. So now we have to go find them. So we're going to use this item view. Remember, it's passing in a view. So we're going to have to use that view. So we can do the following. We can go and say we would like to get a hold of our stuff. And we do this by saying image 5-day weather equals item view dot find view by ID or dot ID dot image 5-day weather. Because we are passing a view here and we're looking for the image in that view. You guys will see how we do that at the top on the create bind view holder. Okay, so the next one we want to do is 5-day temp equals item view dot find view by ID or dot ID dot 5-day temp. And now we're getting like a lazy, so we're going to copy this twice. The next one we want is 5-day description, and this should just say 5-day description. The other one we want is it's 5-day date. And we can just pass in here. I can't remember what I called it. Let's see if I did the right thing and I called it 5-day date. Stop that. So let's see what we called the date. So I did that, left out the day, 5 date. Okay, so there we go. So now we are saying every time you instantiate this class and you create this little object here for me, that object must contain these little views or widgets, because remember, these things are actually all called views, just to confuse the hell out of you. But it must contain these widgets. It must have an image view, it must have 3 text views, and this is where they are. Okay, so now we have the size of our data set and we have what each object needs. So we better go bind our data. Okay, and this can get a bit tricky, so I'm going to do that in the next video.